Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another weekly beer tasting. I'm your host, Andy, coming at you today with a marvelous beer from one of our favorite East End breweries, Left Field Brewing. So this is a raspberry Hibiscus Gose. Beautiful red, kind of a light red, beautiful glowing color to it already. So I already have had a few sips, but I will have one more. One word: adore. Typical, a lot of traditional Gose flavors you're going to get in this. Your typical, you'll taste the coriander, of course the saltiness that you'll get with any traditional Gose. However, you get a huge punch of my particular favorite, raspberries. The gang at Rolling Hops, we really do like innovation and keeping things fresh and really doing a lot of experimenting. So we're really down for this type of beer. We really understand if you're not, but if you're into fruity beers, sours, this is a must try. So Left Field, awesome craft brewery on the east end of Toronto in one of our favorite neighborhoods, Leslieville. A wonderful brewery. It's got a really cool connection to the city itself. Huge baseball culture in Toronto. Obviously the Toronto Blue Jays, best Major League Baseball team in the whole world. If you didn't know, world champions 1992, 1993, don't you know? So Left Field has sort of hopped onto this baseball culture that's really kind of woven into the fabric of Toronto and many Torontonians. Awesome brewery, lots of experimenting going on. If you haven't checked out this particular Gose, you gotta try it. That'll do it for us this week. Make sure to stay tuned for next week where we showcase another one of Toronto's cool, amazing brews. And remember, craft beer is here.